Hey, Flight Sim crew, this is Ryan, and just have a bit of a different video for you today. A report came out saying that somebody took it upon themselves to not just vandalize, but completely damage through explosive means a very unique, weird, creepy monument. I don't want to try to poison the well, but an odd monument that exists down in Georgia called the Georgia Guidestones. If you're not familiar with these, and I doubt most people are, they are sometimes referred to as North America's Stonehenge, and it was put together by some a group of people who kept their identities secret. They're only, if I can find it real quick. Well, the only real thing is that they look forward to an age of reason. And you can see here, I'm going to slow down the footage here. This is some drone footage I took when I was on a road trip, and just to try to break up the road trip, it was a very long trip. I stopped at various places, kind of roadside attractions, and this was one of the places I stopped. So what you're seeing here is the actual inscription of the 10 guidances. I guess that's the best way I can put it. That whoever put this together believed that humanity should adhere to. They are definitely controversial, especially the first two. And some of them just kind of don't make sense. I think others are kind of neutral, and people might say, well, sure, that makes sense for anybody. But big thing here is that these were destroyed. This was someone's personal property who put this together. And I happened to get some drone footage, so I just wanted to take a moment to show you all what these look like, since they no longer exist. The explosion took out one pillar, and the entire structure was demolished out of safety concerns. So the Georgia Guidestones are no more. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. It's definitely an unusual structure, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Give me a like if you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.